Guys, we're back with another video, and today, I don't even know what we're gonna be doing. We're just gonna be doing some random stuff. Yeah. Let's go. Okay. Fortnite. Fortnite. PlayStation. Portable charger. You're such a freaking whore. I mind it. Oh my god. Dos Equis. The one Abraham Lincoln kept under his hat thing. Yeah. Like my soccer socks. Freaking cool. Hey, Lucy! Lucy! Oh, you wanna go, Lucy? Huh? You wanna freaking fight? Huh? You wanna wrestle? You wanna wrestle? Huh? You wanna wrestle? Alright, guys, I'm gonna set this up with me and my dog. We're gonna battle. Nah, come over here. Ugh. Look at that majestic beast. We chilling with the dog. She's amazing. Did you just lick me? Tickle spot. Where's the tickle spot at? I swear it's somewhere over here. She slaps bad. Yeah. You're such a freaking whore. I'm on it. Move this. Oh no. I think that's about the first so I can do. What the heck is that? I don't know nothing. You're such a freaking whore. Lucy. She goes like, gotta turn the camera towards you. What are you doing? Lucy? What do you got? Lucy? Ghost Adventure sound. Shout out goes to my dog, Lucy. Remember, if you want a shout out, it has got to be the first one to comment, say, I want a shout out. Oh no, you slobber. You slobber. You don't play tug of war? I have a feeling you do. Alright, oh, wow, you tore it up. You tore it up. Oh no. She's got a hold. Ow! She bit me in my butt. Dude, that hurt. She bites hard too. Oh, jeez. Dude, she wants it. Once you get it, dude, she'll chase you down. I would laugh if I got demonetized for saying dude. Like all my videos with girls, that'd be funny. She's trying. She got it. I don't even know what I'm gonna title this video. Probably Tug of War with Dog, Part 1. You guys really seem to enjoy me when I do my skateboarding stuff, so I'm probably gonna have to start doing that again. Oh, got it. She's strong. You guys know, like, bulls will like their horns. Okay, so my pa bought her a bull horn. She demolished the thing in 20 minutes. So, she's strong. Lucy, are you wore out, girl? I got more. Oh, I think she's wore out. Man, that's blinding. But, yeah. I think she's wore out. Just gonna put it right there. Hey, Lucy! Lucy! Don't play tug of war, you wore out. I think she's a little wore out. A little bit of both, maybe? Oh, here, she's got chain. She's got gold chain. She's got... No, I had it by 2 strings like that. PS4. Oh, she spotted us. What the? Dude, I just saw something go right in front of my camera. Did I ghost or something? Our house is like, has ghosts in it. I know that for a fact, but... Hey, what's up? No. God, this thing's so blinding. Got the chips and stuff. You guys should really go watch Ghost Adventures and stuff. They're freaking... They're cool. Alright, I like them. They do, like, they investigate a bunch of different places and stuff, like prisons, all these other things. Yeah. Let's go see which one. Nah, I might get demonetized. I'm good. I was gonna go show you guys what they are and stuff, but don't want to get demonetized. You're such a freaking whore. I'm on it. Okay, we are currently going into the basement. Going around into the Amazon. You wanna come down? Come on, Liz. I wonder if my cat's down here. Probably is. Louie! I don't think he's down here. Dude, Lucy, my dog, and Louie, my cat, they get into fights a lot. I'm gonna lock you in here. She actually thought I was gonna lock her in. You're such a freaking whore. Oh my god. Wreck it. Today, since I haven't uploaded in like almost a month, I'm gonna be doing 2 videos. I'm gonna be doing this and Fortnite. Okay, so I used to be a noob back in like season 2 or season 1 and season 3. I used old school. Friend Nate got me to try out Combat Pro. So I was doing from season 4 to till actually like an hour ago. I'm trying to go at Builder Pro, but I'm kind of getting the hang of it. But here, let me show you guys how to build. All right. Hey, Lucy, we don't do that. Come on, we don't need to. That's my cat. What's up, bud? Lucy, I gave you. Why are you all wet? Oh, because you knocked your bowl over. Here, bud, let me get you a paper towel. I'll be right back, guys. Alright. Oh, they're getting into a fight. Wreck It. Free. You know what? I gotta go hop on my mom's account because she used to play Fortnite. She does, like, I hope she will again. So, this is my uncle's PlayStation, but it's got my mom's, account stuff on it. Okay. Alright. Turn the TV on. Wrong button. Yeah, he got Red Dead Redemption 2. It's got to turn it on. And find the remote. Somewhere. I got my old Marvel comic thing. Poster. Pretty sick. We got that. You can pause and see. Ridgeline at the Baja 1000. It's one thing to battle the Baja Peninsula. It's another entertainment. We got that. Alright, now I just need to find the remote. You know what? Should be something on this TV somewhere. Power. Let there be power. Alright. The remote. Ugh. JJ Gold. Oh god, I forget what the password was. Just gonna take a wild guess. Alright, taking a wild guess. I don't know. Hold up, guys. Right back. Okay, guys, that did work. Oh no, don't. No, my uncle deleted it. He deleted Fortnite. No. Hang on. Can I get through in the library? Games. Location. Fortnite. No. Guys, I used to have a Twitch account on this. Yeah, I used to have Twitch, and I did like glitches on Blacklight Retribution. It's a game where basically you it's like Call of Duty but for free, and you can actually beat zombies. Yeah, it's called Blacklight Retribution. You know what? I'm gonna end the video here. And alright. Well, that's my video, by the way. And peace out, guys.